guys, it's your Scentsy lady, Shelby here, and I finally got in my merry little Christmas warmer. This is November's warmer of the month, and as a consultant, we actually get this perk of being able to subscribe early to getting our warmer and scent of the month. Well, I forgot to do that, and I was so excited about this warmer, and so I had to wait, just like everybody else, till the first to order mine, and it finally arrived today. So I am really excited to open this box and get it set up. I have taken down all of my fall decor and we are getting our Christmas stuff out, so I figured why not let my little warmer out also. So I will show this to you at the same time. Here we go. Okay, so if you have not seen the pictures of this before, this is like the little Christmas trees of the past. Like, I think every grandma had one of these, or I know my mom has multiple of them. And we as consultants have been asking for one of these warmers for years now. I'm saying years. Oh my gosh, I've never seen a warmer come out like this. Oh! This is crazy how it's like, it's in its own little box. Look at that. Oh, okay, don't like that. That scares me. I mean, at least it was in there. But if you do this, make sure you have a handle on, that's the dish, and you don't want it to drop out and break. But look at this already. And as you can see, I'm doing this in my kitchen because I want it right here. So I figured, why not just go ahead and do it? And the little whispers are in the back. My kids watching me do this. Look at it. It's so cute. Huh? Look at that, how pretty it is. Okay, so as you can see, this is an element warmer. So you don't have an actual light bulb that heats the wax. Oh, how did I not bring my wax in here with me? Oh well. I'll just have to tell you about the month, the November's wax, because it is fantastic. So let me go ahead. I'm going to move my air purifier a little bit to plug this in. I don't even think I want to try and undo the cord. I think I'm going to go get one of those stands. Target has a bunch of cute stands right now. And so I think I want to go get one of those stands from there. But for now, you can see it here, and then I'm gonna have my cute poinsettias and everything in my vase right there. But like I said, we just took fall down. Okay, so let me tell you about this. Well, let me turn it on and then I'll show you. Look at that, how cute. So these are LED lights. It is just one light in here that lights up all of the little bulbs. So there are LED lights in there. So this is the only light that you will get from this warmer because it's an element warmer. So the element heater will warm the wax. That's what melts the wax. And then you do have the little lights because most of our element warmers don't have light bulbs. So I just want to specify that these have the LED lights in them like this. Isn't that so cute? I have been waiting for this. I love it so much. I'm going to get a little stand or something to make it even cuter over here. I think it'll be cute with my poinsettias that will be back here with it. I gotta hide the cord a little bit better. But there you have it. This is the Merry Little Christmas warmer. It's November's warmer of the month. And it is 10% off while it is the while it's the warmer of the month. So in November, it's 10% off. And you can, oh my gosh, I just realized this is all hand painted. Look at that. That is so pretty. It's cool because you see like the brush strokes for the pine needles. That's really beautiful. If you would like one, you can comment and I will reach out to you. You can find me on Facebook at Wax Mama of Weatherford, or you can go to my website, which is Shelby M. Winkle. I'm sorry. Yes, Shelby Marie Winkle.scentsy.us. And you can order from there, or like I said, comment and I can always help you out. And if you have enjoyed this video, which by the way, you haven't seen me at all, but I wanted the focus to be on this. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, comment, or subscribe. It helps my business and I appreciate it so much. I hope you have a wonderful, happy holidays and enjoy. Take care.